Good afternoon, class. Today we will be learning about graphing lines using the slope-intercept form. The first thing we need to know is the slope-intercept form. What does that mean? It's the equation of the line that is in the form y equals mx plus b. And being the slope and b is the y-intercept. Example. If y is equal to 3x plus 4, then 3 will be your slope and 4 will be your y-intercept. If the line is negative 2x minus 1, your slope is negative 2 and your y-intercept is negative 1. This example, the slope will be negative 2 over 9 and your y-intercept is negative 1/4. Last example, y equals 5x. The slope is 5 and there is no y-intercept in this case, so b will be equal to 0. Okay. In this slide, we will be writing a linear equation in slope-intercept form. So you will be given m and you will be given the y-intercept. So just write down y equals mx plus b, plug in m for 2 for m and negative 3 for b. So if the slope is 2/3 and b is 5, it will be y equal 2/3 x plus 5. In this example, you will be graphing a linear equation using the slope-intercept form. So to do that, you have to follow the following steps. First step, m equals 2/3 and b equals negative 1. So you need to find your slope and the y-intercept. We're going to start by plotting the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is the point that has x equals 0 and y equals negative 1. From the slope-intercept form, you also have your slope. Your slope is 2/3. 2/3 means y is 2, 1 is 3. So from the y-intercept, move up 2 units and 3 to the right. 2 up and 3 to the right. 2 up and 3 to the right. Now what happened here is that you could do more than 2 points, but in reality, you only need 2 points to draw a line. So if we're going to try from the bottom, it will be negative 2, negative 3 because we're going down and left. Connect the points and draw the line. Okay. In this example, you're going to be graphing a line that passes through negative 2, 1 and has a slope of negative 3. Same concept. We have the slope and we have a point. So we're going to start first by plotting the point, which is negative 2, 1. Your slope is negative 3. Remember, it's negative 3 over 1. You have to write it as a fraction. In this case, the slope is negative, so we go down 3 units and to the right 1. Down 3 and to the right 1. You could already connect the points. We have 2 points, more than 2 points, and that's all you need to draw a line. Or you could just continue to see the pattern. Connect the points to draw your line. Same example, 32.32. Plot the point first. Your slope here is 3 over 4, so rise 3, run 4. So from the point, you need to go up 3 and 4 to the right. Up 3 and 4 to the right. Connect the points, and that will be your line. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to write the equation of the line given the graph. So if you look at the first graph over here, the first thing you need to find is your y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is the point of intersection of the line and the y-axis. In this case, it's 1, 2, 3. So b is 3. Then pick any 2 points. So for instance, this one and this one. Your rise is 8. Your run is 4. 8 over 4 is 2 over 1. Always simplify. And 2 over 1 is 2. So your equation is 2x plus 3. In the second example, your y-intercept is right here. So that's b negative 4 equals to negative 4. The line is going down. So therefore, you're going to have a negative slope. So run is negative 6 and rise is 2. So in this case, your slope will be rise over 1, 2 over negative 6, which simplifies to 1 over 3 or negative 1 over 3. The equation will be negative 1/3 minus 4, negative 1/3 x minus 4. plotting these two equations. They have different y-intercept, same concept. The slope is 1/2, y is 1, 1, 2, connect the dots. Second equation, the y-intercept is -1, connect the dot, y is 1/2. Y is 1 over 1 and 1 is 2, slope is 1/2, so it's the same slope. What do we notice? The lines are parallel. So today, this concept is basically what you're going to learn in addition to graphing, is that two lines are parallel, have the same slope. Last slide, are these two lines parallel? The first thing you need to do is write the first equation in slope-intercept form, because it is not in slope-intercept form. Right after you do that, you need to figure out your slope for each equation. Notice both slopes are correct. Therefore, the two lines are parallel. This ends this slide. I will see you in class tomorrow. Thank you.